Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video, and in today's video I'm going to talk about this little thing. It's a macro close-up filter which just screws onto the front of your camera on your filter thread and allows you to get closer to your subject than your minimum focal length on your camera lens. Okay, so I'd been looking at these macro close-up filters for quite some time now. It's always nice to be able to play about with the different lenses which you have, and these change the capabilities of the lens. For example, my 20-60 kit lens, which I have on my Panasonic S5, has a minimum focusing distance of 15 centimeters. By adding one of these to the front, I can reduce that distance. And my Panasonic 50mm f1.8 lens has a minimum focusing distance of 45 centimeters. Again, by adding this, I can get closer. You're probably asking, why do you want to get closer and not just crop in? Well, the answer is the more you crop in post, the more pixels you lose, and therefore the lower quality your photo. If you can take your image in camera as close as possible, it means that you are using as many of the pixels as are available to you. So I decided that I would pick up a set of these. Now, this particular macro close-up filter came in a set of 4, and they are marked with different magnification types: a 2x, a 4x, an 8x, and a 10x. Now, I'm not really sure if that 2x, 4x, 8x, 10x means that you can get that amount of times closer, or whether it makes it that amount bigger. I'm not going to get into the scientific part of this, but they do certainly allow you to get closer. At the end of this video, I'll include a few sample images taken using one of these macro close-up filters. So the macro close-up zoom filters which I bought are made by the company JJC. And this is important, I bought them with my own money and this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to show you what you can do with these little filters. They come in this lovely carrying pouch. To be quite honest, for the price that I paid, which was under 20 euros on offer, I'm very surprised at the quality. The pouch itself is good quality and the filters are made of aluminium and glass. Each one is clearly marked with the number and also the filter size. Now, for my Panasonic camera, I have 3 different lenses: the kit lens, which is the 20-60mm, the 50mm f1.8, and the 85mm f1.8. The great thing about the Panasonic S lenses is that their filter size is the same on all the different focal lengths, which is 67mm. So the macro close-up filter kit which I ordered is the 67mm one. If I need to use it on a lens which has a smaller filter thread, I can use a step-down ring. You can feel the build quality as soon as you pick them up. Okay, so I'm going to go outside now with one of these macro close-up filters attached to my lens, and I'm going to take a few example photos. It's a fun way to take different photos that you probably wouldn't think of taking under normal circumstances. And remember that photography is always practice, 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 and enjoy. You'll find affiliate links to this macro close-up filter kit as well as other gear used in the making of this video in the description section down below. Please leave any comments or questions which you may have also in the comment section down below. I always answer your comments, and interacting with my channel is a great way for me to know the kind of content which you may like me to create in the future. If you liked this video and found it interesting, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel. Until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.